In a world where precision meets purpose, the journey of a tablet begins. Deep within sterile chambers, raw powders are weighed with micrometric accuracy. Each granule a promise of healing. Blending and granulation transform these ingredients into a unified force, ready for compression. Hydraulic presses shape them into tablets, each one identical, each one vital. Coating follows, an elegant armor that protects and controls release. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing: hardness, dissolution, purity. Nothing escapes scrutiny, from formulation to packaging. This is not just manufacturing. It's a symphony of science, safety, and care. This is how tablets are born. This is how lives are changed.